Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Bungshi with another video on structures. This is my third video on structures, and in this video I am going to tell you how structuralism defines structure. That's to say, the concept of structure in structures. Now this is very important because without an understanding of the concept of structure in structuralism, you cannot understand structuralism at all. As I told you in my last class, structures according to structuralism are not physical entities. That is to say, the structures do not exist in the external world, but rather they are part of the human consciousness. They are part of our mind, and we project them onto the external world to organize and make sense of it. And according to structuralism, there are three key features of a structure. These key features are: number one, wholeness; number two, transformation; and number three, self-regulations. Now we'll be talking about these three features one by one. Number one, wholeness. Now what is wholeness? Wholeness implies that the system must function as a unit. When I say structure, what do I mean? I mean that it is a collection of items, but it is not a collection of items put together in a haphazard way. The items, the component parts that constitute a structure are not an independent collection of items, but rather they are dependent upon each other. They stand in a mutual relationship. They derive their meaning from one another, from their position in the structure. Let me give an example. Think of a car. A car consists of different parts. It has its wheels, it has its roof, it has its bottom, it has headlights, it has its steering and suspension, it has its doors and windows. But these component parts are put together following a specific rule to make the car. Now you cannot set the wheels on the roof in the expectation of having it fly in the air. Now you cannot combine the phonemes in English at your will to make new utterances. You must follow specific grammatical rules. The second feature of a structure, according to structuralism, is transformation. So transformation means a change. Transformation implies that the system or the structure is not a static one. It is capable of change. It is capable of transformation. When we combine the phonemes, they become words, and those words in their turn create new sentences. So the phonemes become words, the words make sentences. So thus the phonemes make new utterances. So that is how the phonemes are capable of transformation, capable of change. They do not remain phonemes. They become something else. They become structures. They become new sentences. They become new utterances. The third important feature of structuralism is self-regulation. Now, regulation means control. Now, uh, when I say self-regulation, I mean that the system is capable of controlling itself. Let me give an example. Now, if you think of the English language, how do we make words? Surely by combining the phonemes in specific ways, and the words in their turn are combined together, following specific grammatical rules to make new statements, to make new sentences. But the sentences that are that are generated by combining, or by putting the words side by side following certain grammatical rules, or the words that are made by combining the phonemes, they are part of the English language, which is the broader structure uh, uh, here. So the what to say, transformation, the change that the phonemes are capable of, they what to say, it belongs to the structure itself. It doesn't go beyond the structure. You cannot combine the phonemes at your will and claim it part of the to be a part of the language. The phonemes must be combined together in a specific way to make words, and to make new utterances that are part of the English language itself. According to structuralism, all surface phenomena belong to some structure. Let me give you an example. Uh, Take three sentences, any three sentences. For example, the tiger runs fast, the man walks slowly, and the bird flies in the sky. So if you read these sentences from left to right, you'd find that they you'd find a list of statements, a list of three statements that are made up of words. But if you read them from top to bottom, you'd find that they can be reduced to a particular grammatical structure. First comes the subject, then the verb, and then the object. So these words can be reduced to a specific grammatical structure. So the words, they are the surface phenomena which belong to some structure. Here the structure is subject and predicate structure. So this is all in today's class. If you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe, and yes, do not forget to tap on the bell icon to get all the latest uploads. Thank you.